with Retrax, we had to take their current Pro model and alleviate two of their main issues. First issues they had was slat to slat shifting, which I can show you on this model. This one, as you can see, it shifts really, really. There's not much really holding it in place. And the other issue we had was with water intrusion. Now, the seal is supposed to alleviate that, but as you can see, those holes here, those little holes, that is crimping. So when you crimp the seals, it makes the seal redundant. With our new design that we had, started with the current Pro, went through multiple iterations, and then we landed on our final design here. Now, this design it's very different. This one, it's very simplistic, but with here, as you can see, it has that nice mechanical hinge